Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Math Justin Sung Easy Method. Start by setting a simple, timed plan and focus on mastering one concept per session. Use example problems immediately and check answers. Then correct mistakes, and repeat with variation to build fluency. Combine short reviews with spaced practice and explain solutions aloud as if teaching someone else to deepen understanding and retention over time. Use focused, short sessions that mix explanation, practice, and reflection to avoid overload and improve memory. Try teaching each step aloud and writing concise notes. Alternate worked examples with fresh problems and track error patterns. Schedule brief reviews after 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month to lock in skills. Keep practices varied and time-limited to maintain energy and sharpen problem solving without burning out. Select resources that match your current level and stick with them long enough to see progress. Use spaced repetition apps, timed quizzes, and curated problem sets to build fluency and speed. Watch concise video explanations and pause to solve problems yourself. Get feedback from peers or mentors and revisit weak spots often. Consistency and the right mix of tools make steady improvement feel achievable and even enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.